Top 10 Earl Nightingale quotes. We become what we think about most of the time, and that's the strangest secret. Success is the progressive realization of a worthy goal or ideal. People with goals succeed because they know where they're going. Never give up on a dream just because of the time it will take to accomplish it. The time will pass anyway. Our environment, the world in which we live and work, is a mirror of our attitudes and expectations. Don't let the fear of the time it will take to accomplish something stand in the way of your doing it. All you need is the plan, the roadmap, and the courage to press on to your destination. Learn to enjoy every minute of your life. Be happy now. Don't wait for something outside of yourself to make you happy in the future. Whatever we plant in our subconscious mind and nourish with repetition and emotion will one day become a reality. The key that unlocks energy is desire. It's also the key to a long and interesting life.